Hi, and welcome to the Somigo Getting Started video. In this video, you'll get to see the initial flow when setting up your first organization. And as you can see, we are currently on the login page, so to proceed we just need to log in like so. Once inside this suite, you can see you're prompted to create an organization. So let's just go ahead and create a new one. We'll call it My Company, and we'll give it the color blue. There you go. Your first organization has now been created. Likewise, we also need to create some projects inside this organization. So let's go ahead and create two organizations. The first one we'll call Development. We'll give it the color blue. And also create a different project called Sales. And give it the color purple. Well, now we have created some projects, so let's briefly get an overview of what we're looking at here. Up here you can see your current organization and your current selected project. And here to the left we have access to various apps. In the suite we have tasks, we have notes, we have project lists, we have personal lists, and finally we have post-its. Now let's go ahead and select the development project. And in here we will add two task groups. The first one we'll call To Do, give it the color yellow. The second one we'll call Backlog and give it the color red. Once you've created these task groups, you can add tasks to each of them. You could say adjust button text on front page. And maybe also change background color of call to action button. And here in the backlog we have privacy, policy, and add system-wide notification bar. So now you have task items in your project, and you can rearrange them as you please by dragging and dropping. You can also, for each task, you can assign various parameters like status, responsible person. You can add links, screenshots, and also add a deadline, let's say tomorrow, and a priority. This one is very high. And finally you can add a description. Next we'll go to the Notes app, and just like in tasks you can add groups. Up here we'll add a team notes, give them a yellow color, and also FAQs. Make it green. And now you can add notes to each group. Let's say commands for deployment, and also cake list. Down here we will add website and software as a service. And if we select a note, let's say cake list, we can easily create a cake list in here, and you can see you have all these controls up here. And we'll just add some names, Stefan, And as you can see, it's easy. It's just like any other text editor. Also, this one will autosave every 5 seconds, and you can also just click save if you want to. And last of the project apps, we have the lists. Let's add a team to-do list. Give it the color yellow. It's a to-do list. Also, we have office supplies. Also a to-do list. And let's also add a checklist. Let's call this one regression test. Like so. Now we have all these lists over here, and we can add items to these individually. Let's say clean work desk and set up computer equipment. Down here, buy pens, buy flowers, buy paper for printer. And in the checklist we can have check login flow, click button, make sure background turns green. And just like notes and tasks, you can drag and drop them to rearrange them. In the checklist, you can check them, you can uncheck them, and in the to-do items, you can check them and they'll disappear from the list, and also show completed if you want to. And lastly, we are getting to your personal space, which is available to you only. You can add your own lists, just like before, except these lists are your own personal lists, like shopping, to-do, and so on. And also, you can create your own personal post-its. You can drag them around. You can pin it. And as you can see, it sticks. And you can unpin it again. And that's it. Now you're ready to dive in and explore the suite.